Modern homes are all about clean lines, open spaces, and thoughtful design choices that blend beauty with function. Bow windows fit perfectly into this approach, offering a stylish way to expand living areas while bringing in natural light. For homeowners in Pell City, custom-designed bow windows provide endless opportunities to enhance both interior comfort and exterior appeal. Creating open, light-filled living spaces. One of the biggest advantages of bow windows is how they transform the feel of a room. Their curved design allows light to enter from multiple angles, making interiors feel brighter and more open. In modern Pell City homes, bow windows are often used in living rooms or dining areas to create a spacious, airy atmosphere without altering the home's footprint. Custom designs allow homeowners to adjust the size, number of panels, and glass type to maximize daylight while maintaining privacy and energy efficiency. Sleek frame styles. For a modern look, frame selection plays a major role in the overall appearance of bow windows. Modern design often favors slim, clean-lined frames that don't distract from the view. Neutral colors such as white, black, or soft gray are popular choices in Pell City homes, as they complement modern interiors and exterior finishes. Custom frame options also allow homeowners to choose materials that balance durability with aesthetics, ensuring the windows perform well while maintaining a contemporary look. Built-in seating and functional design. One of the most popular custom design ideas for bow windows is incorporating built-in seating. A custom window seat turns the extended space into a functional feature that adds both comfort and character. This area can be used as a reading nook, relaxation space, or casual seating for guests. In modern Pell City homes, window seats are often paired with clean-lined cushions or hidden storage beneath the seat to maintain a minimalist design while adding practicality. Floor-to-ceiling bow window designs. For homeowners looking to make a bold statement, floor-to-ceiling bow windows create a dramatic visual impact. This design emphasizes vertical space and allows unobstructed views while enhancing the modern feel of the home. In Pell City, this custom approach works especially well in main living areas, where expansive glass helps connect indoor spaces with the outdoors and creates a strong focal point. Energy-efficient glass options. Modern design goes hand in hand with smart performance. Custom bow windows can be designed with advanced glass options that improve insulation and comfort. Energy-efficient glass helps reduce heat transfer, keeping interiors comfortable throughout the year. For Pell City homeowners, this means enjoying the beauty of large bow windows without sacrificing indoor comfort or energy savings. Combining fixed and operable panels. A thoughtful custom design often blends fixed and operable window panels. Fixed panels provide uninterrupted views and maximum light, while operable panels offer ventilation when needed. This combination creates a balanced design that supports both aesthetics and functionality. In Pell City homes, this approach allows homeowners to enjoy fresh air while maintaining a sleek, modern appearance. Enhancing exterior architecture. Bow windows don't just improve interiors, they also elevate exterior design. Custom shapes, trim details, and subtle curves add architectural interest that enhances curb appeal. When designed to match the home's modern style, bow windows become a defining exterior feature. This added visual depth can significantly boost the overall appearance and value of a Pell City home. A modern upgrade for Pell City homes. Custom-designed bow windows offer a perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality. By tailoring size, frames, glass, and layout, homeowners in Pell City can create a modern design feature that enhances daily living while adding long-term value. Bow windows aren't just an upgrade, they're a design statement that transforms modern homes.